What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to be taking a look at 7 steps for the beginner beardsman, or the man who wants to grow a beard. The 7 steps that you need to follow in order to grow your beard. So stay tuned. So let's get into this. Step number 1, don't shave. Okay, that sounds kind of silly, but it's the truth. Some people have the mindset that if I shave, the more I shave, the thicker my beard's going to grow back. I have a patchy beard, I'm going to shave it so it'll grow back thicker. That is far from the truth. Do not shave. Let it grow. If it's patchy, it should fill in. If it don't, rock it. All right. Something you can do if you do have a patchy beard is you can take a supplement, something like this. Biotin. It works. I believe in it. I take it, and I believe that my beard has gotten a little bit thicker since I've been taking it. I haven't been taking it very long, but it can help. There are some people that swear by it, and there's people that say it don't work. I personally believe that it does work. So you can check that out and try. All right, step number 2 is go ahead before your beard starts growing in and pick you up some beard oil. I have plenty of beard oil reviews. There are plenty of other, but go ahead and pick you up a beard oil. Find one that you like the scent. Pick up your beard oil, and even with a short beard, it works good to hydrate and keep that skin moisturized and that beard moisturized so it'll grow in better. So pick you up some beard oil. Now, a lot of times people start growing a beard and they decide to shave it because it gets too itchy. That's what beard oil is for. So go ahead and get you some of that and play around with it. Okay, step number 3. As your beard starts gaining length, you're going to want to pick up some beard balm. There's a lot of different varieties of that as well. Something you can go down to Walmart and pick up. You can pick it up on Amazon. It's something like Honest Amish. Again, check out those reviews. Find out a scent profile that sounds good to you and something that you're going to like. Pick up that beard balm, because that's what you're going to want when your beard starts gaining length, is so you can kind of style it. All right, step number 4. Go ahead and pick you up a beard comb and or a beard brush. Now you can pick them up on Amazon. I don't have a Kent comb. That's what everybody swears by. You can pick up these. This came in a pack of 8. They're bamboo combs. They're really good. They're all different various sizes. So I like these. And get you a boar hair bristle brush. Now the comb's going to come in handy when your beard is shorter, and the longer your beard gets, the brush is going to come in too. At the length my beard is, I use both on a daily basis. So keep that in mind and pick you up a comb and a brush. Step number 5 is a beard wash. Now, the biggest no-no in growing a beard is using hair shampoo for your facial hair. It's going to strip it of all the natural oils. It's going to kill your beard. Do not use hair shampoo on your facial hair, on your beard. All right, so pick you up a beard wash. Something simple, Cremo beard and face wash. Now, this is something I use. I use it 2 times a week. When you pick up a beard wash, you don't want to use it every single day. Use it about 2 times a week, maybe 3 times a week. But normally, if I'm not using that, all I do in the shower is just give it a good water rinse. Try to rinse anything out of it. And then probably about 2 times a week, I'm using that beard wash. So it's a good thing to have. You're applying product to it, so every so often you want to wash that product out and start fresh. So get you a beard wash. All right, what I classify as step number 6 probably could go a little bit higher in the ranking, but patience. You got to have patience to grow a beard. All right, you got to. When you start, you've got to give it 3 months minimum. Give yourself 90 days of growing your beard before you ever touch it with scissors, trimmers, anything of the sort, and let it grow. All right, so you've got to have that patience. If you don't have patience, you're going to have a hard time growing a beard. because it does take a lot of patience. You don't want to trim it too soon. You don't want to start messing with it, and you don't want to shave it off and then regret it the next day. So have patience. And when you have a wild hair, to shave it off, what you've worked for, think about it. Give it a little bit of thought before you shave it off. So have that patience. Step number 7. This is the best step of all. Rock your beard. Embrace what you have. If you have a patchy beard, embrace it. If you have a straight beard, embrace it. Don't envy someone else's beard, because that's going to make you end up shaving your beard off because you can't get a beard like someone else. So embrace what you have. My beard is extremely curly, and there's some days where I do take a blow dryer to it and straighten it, and then there's other days where I want that curl. Embrace what you have. Let it grow. Have patience. Invest in some products and take care of it, because there's a lot of folks that cannot grow one and can't grow one like maybe you can. So take care of what you got, grow it, have patience, and rock it. All right. All right, guys, so I will put some links in the description below for some of the stuff that I've gone over here, but make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll drop like I said, I will drop a playlist in the description below for all my beard product reviews. So if you want to take a look at those, try to find one that fits your scent profile. As always, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.